just hours until silver's secret weapon changes everything. This is real money. As silver stackers, we are focused on the spot price of this metal, this silver. And we're constantly waiting for silver to catch up with gold. Look at the past 12 months. That is our experience. We're watching gold break record highs and stay up there while silver remains stagnant. Many are getting the sense that silver is dead. It is not. And here's what we're missing. First, we're staring at the wrong object. We're staring at gold. We should not be. Historically, the history of silver shows us that this metal, it hits a long-term performance lag. Many see that as a death of silver. It's not. It's a stretch of time in which silver corrects itself, and that correction can last months. It's a performance lag and really keeps a lot of people out of metals. Those people are typically investors. They're looking for a quick investment and a quick turnaround, a strong ROI. That's not silver. And that's not, you and I are not in this game for that. We're in the long haul. Now, as we're staring at gold and seeing that it's out of reach, we're unable to stack gold anymore. Those of you who, if you're like me, have been in this game for decades, back when gold was, compared to now, very cheap. We were able to accumulate gold. Those days, clearly, for the regular person, we're not picking up an ounce of gold. Those days are gone. Now, look at what's coming today for silver. At the time of this recording, we will have the jobs report released. And this is one of those economic indicators that we need to look at as silver stackers. Because this jobs report is a great indicator in terms of the health of the economy. It is an indicator in terms of what people are going to do with their funds. And whenever there's uncertainty, which we are absolutely living in an era of uncertainty, when people feel uncertain, they move their funds into the safe store of wealth of metal, silver and gold, and that impacts the price of silver. So when this report is released, what we often see for silver is we see a bump up in price. People look at this indicator, their anxiety increases, they start to feel as the economy is heading into recession, and they move funds from something that would be more risky, they go into that safe haven of metals. So watch this report as it's released today and check how silver reacts.